Republican Senator Bob Corker of Tennessee has offered proposals in recent weeks to break the stalemate in Congress. Senator, good morning. Good to see you.
Good morning, Jeff. Good to be with you.
Are we going over the cliff?
Well, it depends on what that means. I mean, I think that 98% of the people in our country can be assured that at some point over the next short period of time, their income taxes are going to be the same. But this Congress, as you know, has been more prepared than any to deal with the big issues our nation faces. And what you're seeing, Jeff, is a dereliction of duty at every level, a lack of courage to deal with the spending issues. Unfortunately, today the average American doesn't realize that there's 40% of government services that they're not paying for. Only 1/3 of Medicare is paid for by those people who actually use it. And because there's been this charade going on where the left and right basically have conspired together to shield the American people from the true cost of government, we really don't have any constituency here to help reduce spending. Because we have not dealt with that issue, there's been no progress on the entitlement spending. This is unfortunately going to carry on to the debt ceiling debate. What should happen today is on the Senate floor, we should go ahead and take up the issue of taxes, and we should try to pass legislation and send it back over to the House. I mean, that's, I think, where the real play ought to be. This afternoon's meeting feels much to me like optics to make it look like we're doing something. But let me just say one more time, this is a total dereliction of duty at every level. I've been very surprised that the president has not laid out a very specific plan to deal with this, but candidly, Congress could have done the same. And I think the American people should be disgusted. This is going to drag on out into next year. The economy is going to be weakened as a result, and it's all because of a total lack of courage here in Washington to face up to the real issues.